Welcome to Seeds of Change and to this short body scan meditation, inviting connection with your body for increased calm and relaxation. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, making sure your head, spine, and whole body feel comfortable and supported. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your belly rise. Hold it for a moment and then exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Repeat this a couple of times, allowing your body to relax with each exhale. For the rest of this meditation, return to the natural breath, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Start to bring your attention to the top of your head. Notice any sensations you may feel. As you breathe in, imagine a warm light filling the entire space of the head. And as you breathe out, release any tension or unpleasant sensations. Slowly move your focus down to your forehead and temples, feeling the relaxation spreading as you continue to breathe. Breathing in and breathing out. Shift your awareness to your eyes, cheeks, and jaw. Allow all the facial muscles to soften. The whole head and face is now relaxed. From your jaw, let your attention flow down to your neck and shoulders. Notice if there's any tension. Breathing into this area and letting it melt away with each exhale. Now, bring your awareness to your arms. Feel them resting comfortably. Notice your hands and fingers and allow them to relax completely. Breathing in and breathing out. Next, focus on your chest and stomach. Feel the rise and fall of your breath. Allow your abdomen to soften and relax as you breathe in and out. Continue down to your back, releasing any tension you may be holding. Feel the support of the surface beneath you, your whole body more and more relaxed. Now, bring your attention to your hips and thighs. Notice any sensations and let them relax. Moving down to your knees, calves, and ankles, feel the heaviness of your legs sinking into the ground as you continue to breathe in and out. Finally, bring your awareness to your feet. Notice each toe and allow the entire body to feel grounded and relaxed. Take a moment to notice the overall sensation in your body in this moment. Acknowledge any areas that still hold tension and breathe into them. As you breathe in, imagine a warm, bright light at the heart center. And as you breathe out, see this warm, bright light spreading your whole relaxed body. With each breath in, connect with the light. With each breath out, this light radiating and spreading within your body. Take a few moments to visualize this as you breathe. When you're ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today to nourish the seed of calm and connection. May you carry this sense of relaxation with you as you go about your day. Until the next time, take good care.